Let's talk about the common cold, quick and simple. The common cold is usually caused by viruses like rhinovirus. It spreads through droplets when we cough, sneeze, or even touch infected surfaces. Symptoms? Sneezing, sore throat, runny nose, mild fever, and of course, that annoying cough. Pro tip, always cough into your elbow to stop the spread. Rest, stay hydrated, and soothe your throat with warm drinks like ginger tea or honey lemon water. For congestion, try steam inhalation. Most colds clear up in a week, but if symptoms last longer, you have high fever, or trouble breathing, get medical help. Now you're ready to tackle that cold like a pro. Like and subscribe for more quick health tips.